Seventh graders, this is to help you with question 4 on CR 23. It says, what is the balance after 6 years of a savings account that begins with $1,000 and earns 5% simple annual interest? Okay, so you're going to use I equals PRT. This is one method. I equals P times R times T. I is the interest earned. It's an amount of money. It's interest earned. It's that extra money you earn for letting the bank borrow your $1,000. P stands for principal. That's the original amount you invest or you put in the bank. The original amount put in bank. Whatever your original deposit was at the very beginning when you opened that banking account, that's the principal. R is your rate. It will be given as a percentage. And you have to change it to a fraction or decimal to use it within the formula. I always change mine to a decimal. You can change yours to a fraction, that's fine. And T represents time. Time will be measured in years. Tells you annual interest. Annual is per year. Time measured in years. Okay, so what is the balance after 6 years? So I can tell you T in this case is equal to 6 of a savings account that begins with $1,000. The amount you originally put in is your principal. So your principal is $1,000 and it earns 5% simple annual interest. The percent is your rate. So our rate is 5%. In order to use that in the formula, I'll put 0.05, taking away that percent sign, moving that decimal point 2 places away from the percent sign. At this point, I don't know the extra amount that I'm going to earn. So right now, I'm looking for my interest. And then once I find my interest, they want to know what is the balance after 6 years. They also want to know the total in account after 6 years. We don't know that either. We don't know the total. I'm jumping slides. We don't know the total in the account yet either at the end of that 6 years. So they're actually looking for 2 amounts here. But in order to find the total, we first have to find the interest. So I'll do I equals my principal of $1,000 times my rate of 0.05 times my time of 6 years. So I'll go ahead and I'll multiply that out. I get 300. $300 is the interest, but I haven't answered the question that was asked. I can tell you they put this 300 here because they want to see if, oh, okay, good, I got an answer, I better circle it. No, you have to answer the question that's asked. So far, I've done great mathematics. I haven't answered the final question that's asked. So to find the total in your account, all you have to do is take your original principal, whatever you originally put in, then you have to add on how much interest you earned. So to find my total, my original principal was $1,000. I've earned $300 for letting them use my money for the last 6 years without taking any out, and I'm up to $1,300. There you have it. I hope that helps.